Welcome back, folks. Today, we're diving into the world of gaming peripherals, and boy, do we have a treat for you. Feast your eyes on the BINNUNE Wireless Gaming Headset. Now, if you're in the market for the best wireless headset for PC gaming, look no further, because we've got you covered. Let's kick things off by talking about performance. The BINNUNE Wireless Gaming Headset boasts high-performance 2.4 GHz lossless wireless technology, delivering pro-level gaming audio on both PlayStation and PC. But wait, there's more. With the added convenience of simultaneous Bluetooth connectivity, you can seamlessly switch between gaming and mobile devices with just a tap of a button. But what really sets this headset apart is its extraordinary battery life. With an impressive 120-hour battery life and fast USB-C charging, you'll never have to worry about running out of juice during those marathon gaming sessions. And let's talk about audio quality. The 50mm drivers combined with 2.4G lossless wireless technology ensure that you hear every detail, from subtle background sounds to critical in-game cues. Say goodbye to audio lag and sync issues, because this headset delivers an immersive, lag-free gaming experience. Now, let's talk compatibility. Whether you're gaming on PC, PlayStation, Xbox, or even Nintendo Switch, this headset has you covered. With 2.4 GHz wireless connectivity for consoles and Bluetooth compatibility for mobile devices, the options are endless. But don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the comfort, sound quality, and overall value of the BINNUNE wireless gaming headset. With thousands of positive reviews, it's clear that this headset is a fan favorite. So there you have it, folks. The BINNUNE wireless gaming headset is not only the best wireless headset for PC gaming, but it's also a versatile powerhouse that will take your gaming experience to the next level. Don't settle for mediocre audio. Upgrade to the BINNUNE wireless gaming headset today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and product recommendations. Until next time, happy gaming!